Hi, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes. I'm here to show you this beautiful 2017 67 plate Honda CRF1000L. This is the Africa Twin. Really clean bike, this one. Actually owned by a member of staff here, our elderly statesman Mike, and he does look after his bikes. He's been looked after. He's done just 5,622 miles from new, and the condition does reflect that. Really clean bike. These are a fantastic bike off-road, not that everyone has been off-road. Really clean, as you can see. LED headlights on the front there, daytime running light indicators. We're filming this in high definition, so you can hopefully see just how clean it is in all the nooks and crannies. Claim 94 brake horsepower from the factory. Crazy pumping horses inside that 2-cylinder engine. Really smooth, easy to ride with loads of torque. Look at that, sausages mash on there, you could eat your dinner, it's so clean. If you know the sort of bikes we sell, you know we are proud of what we sell. 3-piece Honda aluminium plated luggage there as well, so you've got tons of storage. This is the DCT model dual clutch transmission, really easy to ride. I'll show you in a moment, but these are dashboards, so very clear. You've got rev counter, your speedometer, adjustable traction control there. It also has a G button for gravel, so you can basically press that if you're off-road, it'll rev through rather than changing gear as often. And you've got your fuel gauge there. So this DCT transmission, you can basically have it in drive, automatic or sport, and in the automatic version it rides just like a scooter, so you can tour Europe and never touch that gear stick. And to change gear in the manual mode, it's there and there. It's like a Tiptronic in a car. Finally, it's got the Honda heated grips. If I press this button here, you've got 5-stage adjustment there, so it doesn't have to be just freezing or boiling. You can adjust it to your heart's content. I'll give it a quick crack up so you can hear it running. So if you're really fussy like me when you buy a bike, this is the one for you. It's just spotless. You know where we are and you know how to get in touch. Thank you for watching. Cheers guys. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.